Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today, what are we gonna do? Well, I got a bit of coins because Super Racers, it's October now, and that's exciting because there's so much stuff going on in October. Anyway, I have 126,000 coins, which, if you didn't know, that's enough to max out the sports car. So, let's go. Boom! The sports car hat. Me personally, that's fire. That's actually a really cool hat. Like, it's real nice colors and stuff. Look at that. It almost looks like it's not even for the sports car. What adventure can we do with this? Why am I offline? Alright. Note that I already got pretty far. That also got really far. That also got really far. Man, I'm good with this sports car. Backwater bog? Sure. Let's see how fast it is. Oh my gosh. That is... I haven't used this sports car. I haven't used the sports car for like a very long time. So... I've never used it when it was even fully upgraded in engine. This is a big voice crack. This is a big moment for me right here. Because this is the point where the vehicles start to get very expensive, in my opinion. Also, if I sound less, excited, it's because I just woke up this morning. I woke up, like, 45 minutes ago, and then I just started playing Hill Climb Racing 2, because I wanted to max the sports car. Because I knew I was going to max it today, because of the awards. Anyways, come on. I completely forgot that there's keys. Honestly, at this point, I just forgot about keys. Like, I don't use keys at all. I don't feel like they're that useful. Me and my vehicle and my lowrider just went at the same exact time. Maybe I should upgrade these jump shots next, because these are terrible. Oh my gosh, I can tell that downforce. Alright, so here was my old record. And we just passed that. Right there. Right then and there, we just passed it easy. Anyway, like I said last video, like I definitely kept to last video, I'm probably just going to, this is going to be the only run I do. I don't care if I fail here, or at like 100,000 meters. Although it's probably going to be right here, because I want to play it safe, but I play it too safe. Yeah, I'm not going to do what I said. Yeah, yet again, I'm not going to do what I said. I'm going to play a different map. Why am I so good in every single map? Alright, whatever. This is going to be too big of a file size to upload anyway, so I'll just do some muscle car. Some big air with the sports car. Yeah. Here we go. First time I've been able to do that. Ooh, the skills, the mad skills! The mad skills! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Look at all the flips I'm doing! Oh! I've made a severe and continuous lapse in my